guys, yeah, just a quick message before the video starts. I mentioned there could be a sighting of a spotted flycatcher. I did get a sighting and I did get an ID on it, but I mentioned there could have been some footage, but it could have been a house sparrow. Turns out it was actually a dunnock, and I forgot to put the footage in the video, so I shall put it in now. Enjoy. Well, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today, oh, great spotted woodpecker's just gone over. Yeah, today I'm in my local park just opposite my house. I popped over a few mornings ago, and I noticed there was a lot of chiffchaffs around. So yeah, I've come over today just to get a bit of video of chiffchaffs, any other songbird that's around. So far I've got a little bit of footage, plenty of photos. As you'll see later in the video, I have photos of the chiffchaffs feeding each other with sort of hoverflies. I think they're hoverfly anyway. But yeah, so I've got a chiffchaff right next to me. Also had a nuthatch right next to me a minute ago, but you'll see that later in the video. Yeah, so today, yeah, I'm just gonna get chiffchaffs, little birds. I have run an app called Merlin, and it keeps picking up a spotted flycatcher. But I have taken a photo of a little bird, but I'm not too sure if it is the spotted flycatcher, so I'll have to check that out. Because I've never actually seen one in person, so yeah, I mean, as I say, the app keeps picking it up, so hopefully it is the spotted flycatcher, because I did get a bit of footage of this bird that I got, but it could even be a house sparrow that I've got on there, but it's quite a distance away, so I'm not too sure if it is. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with today's video, and yeah, we'll just get what we can get. people. I'm going to move around to the other side now, to where that great spotted woodpecker was last seen. I might come back round this side, not too sure. I have seen a jay fly over as well, but I haven't got any footage of it yet. I probably won't, because they're so shy in this park. It's unreal. I mean, I know places where I can get 4 foot of a jay, but here they're just shy as hell. Plenty of pigeons about, as always. Yeah, there's quite a few little birds around this morning. Have some blue tit, coal tit, I've seen all sorts. Great tit. Yeah, we'll just see what we can get, and I'll be back soon. Well, people, hope you enjoyed that footage. Don't much showing now. More and more dog walkers are coming out, so a lot of it's hiding. But I did get footage of the random pigeon. They weren't helping with the matter. They kept landing on the branches and scaring the little birds off. Yeah. Just hope you enjoy the rest of the footage.
sorry it's been a short one. I quite enjoyed doing this little video actually. It's been more of a challenge. Obviously the subject's smaller, so obviously I've got a couple of bits there: squirrels, pigeons, small birds. So yeah, I didn't manage to get the jays as you'd already seen. I have seen them fly across a few times, but yeah, didn't manage to get them. The woodpecker I could hear calling, but I didn't manage to get that neither. So yeah, I've enjoyed this one. Hope you guys have enjoyed it too. Sorry it's been a short one, as I say, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks again guys. Bye for now.